Are you looking to improve your fitness and lead a healthier lifestyle? In this video, we'll share 10 proven fitness tips that can help you achieve your goals. Tip number 1, start with a warm-up. Before diving into your workout, it's important to prepare your body by doing some light exercises to increase your heart rate and loosen up your muscles. Tip number 2, set realistic goals. It's important to set achievable and measurable goals that align with your fitness level and lifestyle. This will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Tip number 3, find an exercise routine you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, swimming, or playing a sport, finding an activity you love will make it easier to stick to your fitness routine. Tip number 4, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining your energy levels and supporting your body's functions during exercise. Tip number 5, incorporate strength training. Building muscle not only improves your physical appearance but also boosts your metabolism and helps prevent injuries. Tip number 6, prioritize rest and recovery. Giving your body enough time to rest and recover is essential for muscle growth and overall well-being. Tip number 7, make healthy nutrition choices. Fueling your body with nutritious foods will provide the energy and nutrients needed for optimal performance and recovery. Tip number 8, stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. Make exercise and healthy habits a regular part of your routine. Tip number 9, get enough sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for muscle recovery, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Tip number 10, stay motivated. Find what inspires you and keep pushing forward. Remember, fitness is a lifelong journey.